from the last video, I typed these lines of code, right? If you don't know, just click to view it. Remember that I couldn't save in Chinese. I found it much faster doing it with Pathlib. Let me recap. This is the path which is already there when you download this template. That's why you see path inside save file. What's inside is the output file from the file dialog. This destination file, f output file will .write text like this. .write text. Simply put the input text here, which is this one from the text box element 8. Whatever text after review, which is in the format of single lines, and you get them from the first space till the end. Make sure you're encoding to UTF-8. In case it's Chinese or other non-English text, it will return the output result. Let's Ctrl S, save it. Indeed, we can remove the previous code. Ctrl S, Ctrl F5, run it again. Let's pick traditional Chinese. Here, I'll use this for my splitting pattern. Open and select this traditional Chinese example. Pretend that this is my essay. When you hit Convert Text button, each punctuation, let's say comma, disappears and jump to the next line. Sentence 1 followed by sentence 2 and so on, cause we don't need the punctuation. Hit save to a file, put it back to my USB, save as C_output. If you don't see errors, it should be fine. Window E and see if my file is there. First of all, open up a paragraph, turn it into single lines, then save it to a file like this. That's for Chinese text. The same process is applicable to English. Open and pick whatever English text example. Remove this output. Just to be fair, for this English example, for English text, I'll use the English pronunciation. Hit Convert Text to get this, save as a file and put it back to the USB. Just name it e-output. It can be any name. Save it. Should be fine. E-output. Yep. It's there. When you open the file, you get this paragraph. After you hit Convert Text, it will remove the punctuation when it appears and return single lines of script. When you hit Save to a file, it will return line scripts in a text file based on the Convert Text result. Okay, we're done with the code. The next video will be optional. We'll be turning the Python script, which is this whatever.py, into a program being run on Windows. Okay,